week, but hey, every weekend something happens, something drops, something comes out, and anybody that's watching, appreciate the people that have been watching for the past couple weeks. I've been re-uploading all these new things. Anything that comes out, I mean, I even had the Cortez that came out and then also the J-Packs. But this weekend, this was really important. This release right here actually caused a lot of pandemonium at the mall yesterday. I was pretty surprised at how many people. Well, you know what? I'm not surprised. I don't even know why I said that. I'm not surprised at all. Just people are trying to make a quick buck, and I understand it. I get it. The shoe's going for money. I get it. Everybody's working on something. They're trying to move in. They're trying to do something different. They're trying to buy something. Like a chick in the line was like, I'm only in line so I can buy a laptop for school. Like, I get it. But again, I think now with the resale market, with the way stuff's going, I mean, I know these significantly dropped, but they're going to go back up, just like the other backboards or the satin backboards did, and just like the men's shattered backboards. My sister, fortunately, has both of those because of me, because I'm great. But hey, now, this right here is the satin black toe. And excuse the living room moving in this new spot. But I'm going to say right now, do I like the shoe? Yes. Do I think it's cool? Yes. Do I think the concept is great for ladies? Yes. Everything about this is cool. The satin inside, again, all this on the inside, the upper collar, all this stuff is satin. The back, all of this is satin. It's not like the smooth satin. It's obviously that, you know, got the lines, the perforated lines into it. And right here has a back here is all leather. Well, the top part's leather. Then, I mean, overall, personally, I think it would have been doper if they did like a satin, you know, around the toe. I mean, a white satin toe box would have been a no-no, obviously, because that would have been destroyed in seconds, especially from some chick going to the club or going out with friends or doing whatever. And even the tongue, I think if they did like, a black tongue, I mean, yeah, it wouldn't go right back to the original colorway or pay homage to the original colorway. But I think the black tongue would have been better. Overall, solid shoe. It's crazy how the resale market is on these right now. The prices are skyrocketing. I was able to get two. Oh, I got three. I sold my pair, my personal one, which was a 10.5 in men's, which I could fit. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let these go. Just because they're going for the high right now, I'll let them go. But I was able to secure this one for the vault, this one for a special someone to hook her up. But again, if you can get a pair of these now at the resale market, it is like what, $450 to $500. I mean, men's are going, or the ones that are like men's size, extended size, are going for like maybe like $600, $700, depending on who you talk to. Some $750, some are asking $1,000. Prices are all over the place. If you can secure one for under $1,000 and sit on them, I think it would be a great investment. But overall, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think about these, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.